Hey guys, it's Jeremy at Porter Freight Funding.
And I'm Addison. I'm the Business Development Coordinator over at Porter Freight.
Hey Addison, I've got to ask you this question, okay? So one of the things that I get asked whenever I'm, retrieving calls that are coming in, and I know your team is getting asked this question, how do I pick the right factoring company? So what's something that you tell our guys when they're asking the question?
So that one, it's in your court. You need to decide what's best for you. But there's a ton of different things that you need to look at for sure. Whether it be, you need to see exactly what their contracts are. That's one of the biggest things. Read into the contract, see what's in there. There may be certain fees for this or that, maybe an invoice fee here, a chargeback fee here. Know what you're getting into. Do not sign anything until you know that. That's very, very important. And with those contracts, maybe it's a month to month, maybe that's better for you. Maybe you want to go ahead and commit to a year long, something like that. Just figure out what's best for your business. Along with that, with the contracts, you also want to look at that percentage. I don't think that that's the most important part. It's not. But that percentage, because that's how much you're going to end up paying this factoring company to do all of the work for you. So maybe a lower percentage, maybe that's not the best. What do you get with that 1%, that 0.5%, whatever it may be? Maybe that actual 3-4%, you get more out of it.
So what I'm hearing is look at the contract, look at the terms, make sure to read the fine print, and pick a program that's right for me. But that can't be all that there is whenever you're deciding on a factor. What are some of the other things that make that factoring relationship successful for you?
So one thing that I recommend to everyone that we talk to, ask your friends. Who do you use? Who do you like? How do they treat you? Because that you get right there, that's your best information from fellow truckers, someone else in the industry. Maybe they have firsthand experience with a certain factoring company, they love it. So make sure to ask them, read the reviews online.
Incredible. Thank you so much for sharing that piece of the business with us. Guys, make sure whenever you're looking to see if a factoring company is right for you, do like Addison says, read the reviews, ask the questions, pick the program that's right for you.
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to follow us for more information, visit our website or any of our social media.